Hi everyone! My name is Miss Swail and this is Learn Papiamentu with me. I'm so excited that you're here. Are you ready to learn Papiamentu with me? Say, si, mitakla. Let me hear you say, si, mitakla. Yeah? Okay, let's go! Oh, what is that sound? Oh, wow! I'm back. Okay, today is so special. You know why? Because we're learning the names of our family. Yes, family in Papiamentu is Famia. Can you say that in Papiamentu? Say Famia. Okay, let's say it together. Famia. Good. Mother is Mama in Papiamentu. Mama. Can you say that? Say Mama. Good job. Mama. Father is Tata in Papiamentu. Yes, Tata. Can you repeat after me? Say Tata. Okay, good job. Tata. Brother in Papiamentu is Rumang Hamber. That is 2 words. Rumang Hamber. Let's say it together. Say Rumang Hamber. Okay, now say it together. Say Rumang Hamber. Good. Yeah. Sister is Rumang Mue in Papiamentu. Rumang Mue. That is 2 words. Say Rumang Mue. Good. Let's say it together. Rumang Mue. Good job. Hopi bong. Wow. Tata visa bon dia, bon dia, bon dia. Tata visa bon dia. Whenever we wake up, imamata duna umbrasa, umbrasa, umbrasa. Mamata duna umbrasa with lots and lots of love. Rumang hamberta kore. Core, rumang hamberta core, all over the house. Mue, rumang mue ta canta, canta, rumang mue ta canta, with a happy, happy voice. Grandfather in Papiamentu is Tawela. Tawela. Can you say that? Say Tawela. Good. Okay. Tawela. Grandmother in Papiamentu is Wela. Wela. Can you say Wela? Let me hear you say Wela. Okay, good. Okay. Great grandfather is Bisatawela. Bisatawela. That's a long word, but I know that you can do it. Are you ready? Okay, let's say Bisatawela. Great grandmother is Bisawela. Bisawela. Can you say that? Can you repeat after me? Say Bisawela. Okay, good. Tawela tale sa subuki, buki, buki. Tawela tale sa subuki, quiet on the couch. Iwela, wela ta traha pastechi, pastechi, pastechi. Wela ta traha pastechi, hopi dushi mes. Bisatawela ta conta historia, historia, historia. Bisatawela ta conta historia from a long, long time ago. Bisawela ta bisa mistimabu, mistimabu, mistimabu. Bisawela ta bisa mistimabu every single day. And mistima mi famia, famia, famia. Mistima mi famia, hopi, hopi miss. Yay! And you know what is special? I know that you have a nickname, a special name for your grandmother or for your mom or for your great-grandmother or great-grandfather. You know what my nickname is for my grandmother? It is Welita. That's a beautiful nickname I have for my special Welita. What do you call your grandmother? Let me see. Oh, and that's nice. Okay. What do you call your grandfather? Oh, that's an awesome nickname. So cool. I love it. Today's game is called Freeze Dance. So we are going to dance on the music, and when the music stops, we need to freeze. But we need to freeze like one of our family members. It's gonna show up on the screen, and we need to freeze just like them. I know that you can do it. Are you ready? Let's dance. Thank you for watching my video, singing and dancing with me. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!